In this video, we're going to be fitting a 20 IDS cartridge kit to a CRF300L. Start by undoing the top cap from the outer tube, then removing the drain bolt from the bottom of the floor, and removing the cartridge. Top cap on the spring leg, push down the spring plate using feeler gauges in the dip, remove the circlip, then pull piston rod assembly from forward. Next, you will need to remove the grub screw from the right hand fork leg. Start by heating the bottom of the fork, then inserting a 2mm Allen key to remove the grub screw. Install tube clamp, heat fork bottom to soften Loctite, then remove tube from fork bottom. Once fork tube has been removed, remove the standard spacer from bottom of fork tube. Apply grease to every K-Tech spacer cup, then install this to bottom of fork tube. Apply 2701 Loctite to fork threads, then install fork tube to fork bottom and tighten to 140 newtons. Reinstall grub screw and tighten for 2 newtons. You can now install fork cartridge and fork tube, ensuring that the black compression leg goes in the left hand fork and the natural rebound leg goes in the right. Once you have done this, you can now install drain bolt and tighten to 25 newtons. title